Okay, I think we're ready. You have everything, right?
Well, I got me, myself, and I, so I'm pretty sure I have everything.
What about the present?
Present? We need a present.
Kelsey? Sweetie, we're going to a birthday party.
Oh, so that's what the Barbie Jeep was for.
It's my cousin's 6th birthday. What else would a Barbie Jeep be for?
Well, I had one when I was younger, but my brother made me use it to be his getaway driver when he'd rob candy from Mr. Johnson's convenience store. So I just figured we were gonna grab the appetizers and run.
I don't even know what to say to you right now. Where are you going?
Gotta get the present.
Are you okay? I heard the door slam. What are you doing here? Where is the Jeep?
I didn't get it, 'cause I heard the door slam. Thanks. Is someone here? Are we gonna let them?
You know what, Kelsey? I have a really good idea.
What's your idea?
We should go through the garage.
The garage.
The garage.
Shannon, there's someone at the door.
Or we can hop the fence, you know, go through the backyard, try something new.
Shannon, what is going on? Why are you acting so weird?
Okay, the person behind this door is a serial killer.
A serial killer.
A serial killer.
Shannon, you just gotta let them in. Kelsey, I really don't think that that's a good idea.
Hey. Are you gonna get that? You don't look too happy to see me. I thought you were dead. Yeah, which is why you should be happy to see me.
Whoa. Shannon, I just had the... Oh.
Is she just gonna keep...
Yeah.
Does everyone really think I'm dead? You literally had a funeral. Well, it was closed casket. Did no one think that I wasn't in there?
It was still a casket
At your funeral.
I don't think so.
I guess. You guess. Yeah, I guess. You guess. Can I come in? It's like really cold. No.
Jeez, Shannon, my head really hurts.
Oh no. I wonder why.
Oh, is someone at the door?
You gonna pass out?
Catch me.
If you come inside, you're explaining everything. Are you sure that's kind of a long story? Yeah, well, you conned me into thinking you were dead for 11 months. I have time.
Wait, Shannon, what about your cousin's birthday? What about the Jeep?
No, it's fine. I would have made us sleep 20 minutes into the party. My aunt's house smells like prunes. Why does your aunt's house smell like prunes? She's not old.
You don't want to know. Okay, once upon a time, I made a bet with Linus Howard.
Oh, Linus. Isn't that the kid who used to like pick his boogers and eat them?
The one and only. Anyway, him and I made a bet that I absolutely thought I would win. I heard from Matthew Green that he had never seen a kid faster than Linus. And of course, you guys know, I'm the fastest kid in school. So Linus, I have a bet for you.
What kind of bet?
I'm gonna throw this penny, and one of us has to run and pick it up before the other person does. First one there to get it wins.
Well, that doesn't seem like much of a bet.
What do you mean?
Tell you what, if you win, I'll do all your homework and I'll run your campaign to the track coach to be team captain.
Yeah, right. You're about as convincing as a walnut. How do you think you're gonna pull that off?
You'd be surprised.
I knew it was a bad idea from the start. Something in my gut just told me so. But for some reason, I couldn't resist.
Yeah, that's because you have the common sense of a walnut.
Okay, ouch.
Oh, no one cares about your ego right now. Keep going.
Fine. And if I lose?
My parents are looking for new hires in our family business. You lose, you work for us.
I thought it was going to be just a basic name tag wearing soul sucking job. A summer job. Simple.
All right, you got yourself a deal. 3, 2, 1.
I lost.
So you ended up getting the tag wearing soul sucking job then?
Oh, it's okay. You don't look like your soul's gone yet.
Oh, Kels, I wish it was the name tag wearing soul sucking job.
Finn, what did you get yourself into? Well, it was a good game.
Not now. I'm having an identity crisis.
Oh, my dad's here, so we can go ahead and start talking about your new position.
What was it you said your parents did for a living again?
Oh, we're con artists.
Huh?
Welcome to the family.
Wait. You're a con artist? Was a card artist. Was.
Finn, you faked your own death. Were you really in that deep?
Yeah, it was pretty bad.
How did you get out?
I ran.
You ran from a con artist family? Are we in any danger?
No.
Finn!
Okay, I promise I'm not gonna let anything happen. I'm literally gonna kill you. Again?
Guys, I don't feel so good.